what we thought at MetTel was if we're waiting for a human to make a mistake a certain amount of time, why not make those mistakes quicker and have them re-enter into the process, re-enter into the automation process, and make decisions again on them much quicker. So instead of waiting for a human to make a mistake in a half hour, 36 minutes, you'll see that come up in a future slide, let's make that mistake in no time at all and send it back and start to reevaluate it while we wait for a human to get involved, if we even need them, because ultimately we may not. So what we're showing here is in the correct next best action that we're predicting, 52% of the time on the inside side, we're correct, and that's where we're down around, we call it 1 minute because thought I'd be disingenuous saying 0. But really what we're fencing around this, the triage that's going out and doing automation, all the things a human would do and is kind of annoyed with, and then going to the triage phase, and the triage phase, we've actually been able to add in more places where we send tickets now because we're actually more confident in the fact that our AI engine is going to say, hey, here's a ticket that we see probably every 6 months or every 3 months or every 8 months. And we can skip all those other normal places where we send all these tickets and the ping pong effect happens. We can send that directly to Tier 3 or Tier 4 with confidence. So that's what's happening in the background on all our tickets and our automation system. And it's hyper-automation at its best.